Have you ever paused to consider the cosmic ballet that unfolds above our heads every night? It's a dance of celestial bodies, a spectacle of stars, planets, and galaxies, choreographed by the laws of physics. For millennia, humans have looked up at this celestial ballet with wonder and curiosity, our understanding of the universe expanding with each new astronomical event we witness. From ancient civilizations tracking the paths of the stars to modern astronomers studying distant galaxies, these events have shaped our knowledge and fed our fascination. We've marveled at solar eclipses, wished upon shooting stars, and watched planets align in perfect harmony. And in the next decade, the cosmos has an exciting lineup of celestial performances in store for us. From rare eclipses to breathtaking planetary alignments, the next 10 years promise to be a golden age for astronomy. So get ready to mark your calendars and set your telescopes. Join us now as we count down the top 5 most anticipated astronomical events in the next decade. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Great Conjunction. This fascinating cosmic event occurs when the two largest planets in our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, align in the sky. From our vantage point on Earth, these celestial giants appear so close together they almost seem to touch. Now, this isn't a daily spectacle. The Great Conjunction happens approximately every 20 years. And while that may seem frequent in astronomical terms, each occurrence offers a unique viewing experience. The positions of the planets, their proximity to one another, and their location in the sky can vary greatly from one conjunction to the next. This is what makes every Great Conjunction an exciting event for astronomers and casual skywatchers alike. It's a chance to witness the dynamic nature of our solar system in action. So keep your eyes on the skies and mark your calendars because the next Great Conjunction is due in 2032. Next up at number 4 is the Leonid meteor shower. This celestial event is a prolific meteor shower that originates from the comet Tempel-Tuttle. It's like a cosmic dance where the Earth passes through a cloud of debris left by the comet, turning these particles into dazzling streaks of light in our sky. Historically, the Leonid meteor shower has had a significant impact. It's been recorded for centuries, with the earliest known records dating back to the 9th century from China. This meteor shower has been known to produce meteor storms, events where thousands of meteors per hour can be seen, with some of the most notable storms occurring in the years 1833, 1866, and 1966. So what can you expect to see? Imagine looking up into the sky and seeing a shower of shooting stars, each one a tiny piece of comet debris burning up in our atmosphere. This spectacular display of shooting stars is set to peak in November 2029. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the transit of Venus. This celestial event occurs when Venus, our neighboring planet, aligns precisely between the Earth and the Sun. From our perspective, Venus appears as a small, dark spot gliding across the Sun's brilliant face. This transit is a rarity in the cosmos, happening in pairs 8 years apart, but then not reoccurring for over a century. Astronomers and scientists around the globe eagerly anticipate this event. The transit of Venus provides a unique opportunity to study the planet's thick atmosphere, as sunlight refracts around Venus and illuminates its gaseous envelope. Moreover, historical transits have been instrumental in our understanding of the solar system, helping us measure astronomical distances with greater precision. Indeed, the transit of Venus is a reminder of our place in the grand cosmic ballet, and how even with our advanced technology we are still at the mercy of celestial timings. The next transit of Venus won't occur until December 2028, so don't miss it. Coming in at number 2 is the solar eclipse. This celestial dance occurs when the moon, our closest neighbor, glides between the sun and the Earth. This alignment results in a shadowy kiss from the moon, which fully or partially obscures our view of the sun. Solar eclipses are a rare spectacle, with the phenomenon of totality, where the sun is completely covered, being even rarer. The anticipation around this event is not without reason. Imagine, if you will, standing under the midday sun, when suddenly day turns into night. The birds stop singing, the temperature drops, and for a few precious moments, you're wrapped in an otherworldly twilight. The solar eclipse, with its breathtaking totality, is a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos. It's a humbling, awe-inspiring spectacle that highlights the intricate ballet of celestial bodies. Mark your calendars, space enthusiasts. The next total solar eclipse will be visible in July 2028. And finally, the most anticipated astronomical event of the next decade, the Mars opposition. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is the Mars opposition? Well, it's a celestial event that occurs when Mars and the Sun are on directly opposite sides of the Earth. It's as if they're playing a cosmic game of tug-of-war with our planet right in the middle. This event is a real treat for all of us, especially for the lucky ones with a telescope. Why, you ask? Simply because during this time Mars appears brighter and larger than it does at any other time. It's like a red beacon calling out to us from the vast expanse of the cosmos. But the Mars opposition is not just a visual spectacle. It carries profound implications for our understanding of the red planet and our ongoing efforts to explore it. During this time, the distance between Earth and Mars is at its minimum, making it an ideal window for launching spacecraft. Think of it as a cosmic shortcut. Traveling to Mars during opposition reduces the journey time, the amount of fuel needed, and the overall wear and tear on the spacecraft. This is precisely why space agencies around the world like NASA and SpaceX time their Mars missions to coincide with the opposition. This event also presents an excellent opportunity for scientific observation and study. As Mars is closer and fully illuminated by the Sun, it allows for detailed observations of its surface features and atmospheric conditions. These observations can provide valuable data for researchers, aiding in the ongoing exploration and potential future colonization of Mars. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of the Mars opposition is the sense of shared experience it brings. As we collectively gaze up at the night sky, marveling at the enhanced brilliance of Mars, we are reminded of our common curiosity, our shared thirst for knowledge, and the universal human drive to explore the unknown. The next Mars opposition will occur in October 2024. It promises to be a red planet spectacle like no other. So mark your calendars, folks. The cosmos awaits. There you have it, the top 5 most anticipated astronomical events of the next decade. What an exciting time to be an astronomy enthusiast. Let's do a quick recap. First up, we have the Great Conjunction, a spectacular dance of Jupiter and Saturn in the night sky. Then the Leonid meteor shower promises to dazzle us with its annual display of shooting stars. Next, we have the rare and beautiful transit of Venus, an event that won't happen again for over a century. The solar eclipse, that magical moment when the moon cloaks the sun, is also on the horizon. And lastly, the Mars opposition, where Mars will shine brighter than any other time in the decade. Remember to mark your calendars and keep your eyes on the skies, because these events are not to be missed. So, until these mesmerizing events unfurl in the cosmic theater above, keep exploring, keep wondering, and as always, keep looking up.